Hello everyone, this is AI Digital with a brand new topic, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a new AI technology that could significantly push the envelope of smartphone capabilities. The S24 Ultra will use AI to create great user experiences. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to replace the 3-time telephoto unit seen on the Galaxy S23 Ultra with a 5-time telephoto camera. However, the selfie camera on S24 Ultra and the Vanilla Plus models in the lineup won't get any hardware upgrade. According to a tweet by famous tipster Ice Universe, the S24 Ultra and its successor are both expected to support the same 200 megapixel HP2 sensor. Moreover, the contrary to previous rumors suggesting an upgrade to a 5-time telephoto camera on the S24 Ultra. It appears that the 3-time telephoto camera will remain unchanged. Words comes from the Dutch publication Galaxy Club, which claims Samsung will continue to use 12 megapixel selfie camera from the S23 lineup on the Galaxy S24. However, that doesn't necessarily mean that the S24 series won't take better selfies, since Samsung could still improve the front-facing camera's performance with software optimizations. Samsung is also working on its AI as the world has changed after the ChatGPT. As the text language models have changed the world totally, so Samsung is also adopting its AI in cameras and its lot of features. Despite potential shortcomings in the camera department, the Samsung Galaxy Ultra is rumored to boast a 144Hz refresh rate. Furthermore, innovative battery technology inspired by electric vehicles, which we have discussed in our previous video, is also reportedly in the pipeline. To learn more about the new Samsung stacked battery technology, you can watch our previous video on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.